doing here is we're milling out a raised panel cabinet door. We tried with a 20% step over, and we were getting a lot of lap lines. You can see here on this door here. I don't know if you could see these lap lines right here. And we want to eliminate the need for a lot of sanding. So I changed the step over to 15%. And it's a lot better. Sacrifice a minute, basically, in milling it, so you have less sanding. But I'm still not happy with the 15%. I might have to bring it down to 10. Moisture resistant MDF mills incredibly well and paints even better. We're just testing moisture resistant. And then here you can see here what we have here is this is a 7/8 thick door right here. These are all 7/8, and this is done with HDF MR, which is moisture resistant. And I'm really liking the HDF. It's a superior product. This is like cutting into like a hard softwood like poplar, as an example. It's so hard and dense. It's the perfect board for paint grade or even thermal foil. I don't suggest thermal foil for cabinet doors and drawers because your life expectancy isn't going to be all that great. Paint grade, these will last forever as long as they're maintained well. But the HDF has always been a superior product. Sorry about my thumb there, guys. So that's just one style door, and then we have a deck. It's like a deck of cards here. Then we have the two-prong step down shaker, skinny shaker. Then we have a shaker with a step down. Then we have a regular shaker. Then we have the double shaker, which is really cool. And then we have the fluted door as well. So yeah, it's coming along. We are going to mill a skinny shaker today out of moisture resistant as well. A single skinny. So back to the CNC here. And you can see that it's still leaving very tiny lap lines right here. And eliminate the need for sanding. I'm gonna have to try with a 10% step over. Anyway, that's it for today, guys.